everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Narissa and today I want to share with you my Christmas tablescape. For my centerpiece I decided to use a sleigh, and this particular sleigh was found at TJ Maxx. I wrapped the base of my sleigh with a garland that I picked up from my local Dollar Tree. And inside of the garland I decided to insert these winter looking berries and these different gold ornaments. I also decided to fill the sleigh itself with gold ornaments as well. I also decided to use these really crisp white table placemats as a part of my tablescape as well. I really love the contrast that it gives up against the wood and my centerpiece. I also wanted to show you what it would look like once I placed my gold chargers on my placemats. I also decided to go ahead and put my plates on my charger so you could get a general idea of what it would look like. And as you can see, they also have hints of gold, and I've told you guys before, gold is absolutely one of my favorite colors. So that is it for today's tablescape. I really hope that you've enjoyed it. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Also hit that notification bell, and I will see you again very soon. Bye!